Hey there, entrepreneurs and business owners. Are you tired of the same old profit-boosting techniques? Today, we're diving deep into the world of profit maximization to uncover innovative strategies that can supercharge your business's success. But before we dive into our list, let's talk about what profit maximization really means. It's not just about cutting costs or raising prices. It's about optimizing every aspect of your business to generate maximum profit. From streamlining operations to leveraging technology and strategic pricing, profit maximization requires a holistic approach that considers every facet of your business. Now let's get into the good stuff. Our list of profit maximization strategies that will set your business apart from the competition. First up, we have strategic cost management, where you identify and eliminate unnecessary expenses while optimizing resources for maximum efficiency. Next, we'll explore innovative pricing strategies, such as value-based pricing and dynamic pricing, to ensure your products or services are priced for maximum profitability. But profit maximization isn't just about cutting costs and raising prices. It's also about maximizing revenue streams through diversification and expansion. Additionally, investing in technology and automation can streamline processes, improve productivity, and ultimately boost profits. And let's not forget about customer retention and loyalty. Nurturing existing relationships can be more cost-effective than constantly acquiring new customers. Profit maximization is a multifaceted endeavor that requires creativity, strategic thinking, and a willingness to adapt to changing market conditions. By implementing these profit maximization strategies, you can unlock new opportunities for growth, sustainability, and success in your business journey. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of profit maximization strategies. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more insights and tips on business success. Until next time, happy profit maximizing.